What if an AI could tell you what might happen next? Not next year, not next month. Maybe even the next trend, the next opportunity, or the next big move before everyone else notices it. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly what some people are saying about Miro Fish AI. So, let's find out if it really can predict the future, or if it's just another AI tool making big promises. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and new AI tools are appearing almost every week. One of the names getting attention recently is Miro Fish AI. According to its supporters, it can analyze huge amounts of information, identify patterns, and generate insights that may help users make better decisions. But does that mean it can actually predict the future? Let's take a closer look. Miro Fish AI is an AI-powered platform designed to process data and provide intelligent recommendations. Instead of simply answering questions, it looks for patterns and trends hidden within large amounts of information. The idea is simple. If AI can study enough data, it may be able to recognize signals before humans notice them. This could potentially help with content creation, market research, business planning, trend analysis, and productivity. However, it's important to understand that predicting patterns is very different from predicting the future. AI doesn't have a crystal ball. It can only make predictions based on the data it has available. Let's talk about the strengths first. Miro Fish AI is easy to use, works quickly, and can process information much faster than a human. It can also help users discover trends and ideas they might otherwise miss. On the downside, AI predictions are only as good as the data behind them. If the data is incomplete or outdated, the results may not be accurate. And like any AI tool, it should be used as a decision-making assistant, not as a guaranteed source of truth. So, can Miro Fish AI predict the future? Not exactly, but it can analyze data, identify patterns, and generate predictions based on available information. In other words, it doesn't know the future. It estimates what could happen next. For many users, that can still be incredibly useful. What do you think? Could AI eventually become good enough to predict future trends with high accuracy? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.